Hello and welcome to the day at the shop. Today we're going to be working on the Massey Ferguson adapter bracket and anything else we can get into. Let's go.
Yeah.
Okay, after all excitement's over, let's see how we're going to mount this jewel. Alright, what I'm going to try and do is see if I can use this original bracket. But first, I've got to get these wires on one side of this shaft, which is going to be the best way remains to be seen. I'm going to try it like that and try to keep them out here and see how that goes. And then put this back on over here. Alright, let's get this back on here. Alright, I took the battery out. I wish I'd still left it in there. I've got a lot of wires to contend with. And I don't want to fix them up permanent here. I want to, well, I have got to work on the lights. If I can get all these out of the way, I'll be doing good. I can't have them scrubbing all over everything. That will have to be brought up to here some way or another. Stay off there. This is a wire. I don't know where that goes. I was working on it. Something happened. And now I got a wire wrapped around that shaft again. Okay, let me redo that. Bad news. I can't find the hose. Let me try and hunt it down. I can't find it. There it is. Oh boy. Had me worried. Alright. Thing over here. And clients could use about a week of cleaning. Or maybe 2. Okay, I don't see that working out. It's not going to give me enough clearance. It's great because it hides all them wires, but it's not going to work. I need something like that right there. And then I got this going on. Okay, the decision is I guess I should go ahead and make a collar for that. Ain't none of this stuff going to work. And that leaves me with a piece of steel or my aluminum. That looks like a good piece. I think I'm gonna leave that about that much size right there. I'm gonna leave this on here for George, the K3 Fix-It man. He just loves this kind of stuff. Alright, get this thing oiled up. Break. Alright, back from the store. I had to send Scooter Dog back up there with a shoebox where he'll feel safe. He don't like nothing down here, anything. He's scared of the lathe, he's scared of the noise. He just don't like it. Okay, we have a good ways to go. 3/1000 over somehow or another. Oh boy. Alright, let me turn this thing around. Measure this thing and see how far off I got. Although I may have a little damp. Looks like I got about 3/1000 off. Okay, that's good enough. Okay, let's see what we got here. Now, let's see how that's going to, let's see how I'm going to hang that collar. Now, a little bit of figuring got to go on here. Looks like my choices is to come off that bolt right there on the battery box, which I do not want to do. Yeah, that looks like the spot. Still thinking on it. Okay, looks like I'm going to be making a bracket from here out to here. I really need that battery in there. This brace on the top comes out farther than this does. It might have a little slope on that baby. That'll be some funky turns going on there. And I gotta hurry up because George has almost got that bicycle ready. I think I can take him now. shade tree fix it, man. Alright, I think that I'll just about do it. Maybe it'll be warm tomorrow. Maybe. I gotta go in here and edit this movie. Watch our peak push snow. See if 63 Impala 2-door has got the rat rod going. See what cut worm 59's up to, all that kind of business. Alright, cool. Did I just clip that around that? Oh man. That over there. Try that again. Come on. Yeah. Well, it might help to have that apart. Oh, man.